How about today after campus?
Great. At your boarding house, okay?
I will be waiting for you right after campus.
Great.
Okay, finish? Good. Thank you. Next, Keisha. Keisha dan Fadil. Keisha dan Fadila.
Hi Dila.
Ya.
Hi Dila.
Hi, Keisha.
How are you?
All right, how about you?
I'm good too.
By the way, have you watched the last episode of Happiness Drama?
Don't, and it's so much fun.
I thought it would be a sad ending.
I also initially thought that way. It's just that I'm not satisfied with the ending.
Yeah, and that I'm still wondering who put the blue towel in the trash.
Could be that old geezer on the third floor because he did his in fact why.
I guess I have to watch the scan again.
I'm also still not sure about his grandfather. There are still many questions for the end of it all.
This drama is really suspenseful. A lot of plot twists happen.
Yeah, right. I even had to watch it many times to understand it.
I think this is the best trial drama of the year.
I think so too, because what I saw the rating was increasing because of the release of the last episode.
Many are dissatisfied with the ending.
But I think the ending is enough for the main character because in the end they stay together.
Do you want to watch this drama again, especially for episodes that are still confusing?
I guess so. Do you want to watch with me?
Yeah, sure, that would be more fun.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow night?
I don't think so. Tomorrow night we will watch together again.
How about 7:30 at my house?
Sure, I will come to your house tomorrow night.
Okay, see you tomorrow, Dila.
See you.
Oke, thank you. Udah agak panjang. Ya, mungkin topiknya atau conversation umum ya, nggak apa-apa. Nanti the next conversation, we have another topic ya about the health ya. Siap-siap saja. Ajeng dengan Salsa. Ajeng dengan Salsa.
Salsanya jaringannya jelek, Bu.
Oke, jadi
Bisa dimajuin dulu.
boleh. Siapa saja, silakan. Oke.
What are you doing?
Ya, ini sekarang siapa? Siapa yang maju duluan?
Nada sama Alinda, Bu.
Oke, Nada. Ya, Nada, Linda. Oke, silakan.
Iya, Bu. Hello, Nada. What?
Hi, Lynn. I'm reading an article
What is the article about?
about race group hatred of free speech.
I know that too.
What do you think about the article?
Every person or group has the freedom to speak or comment.
But I think everyone should also respect what other people want to talk about or comment on.
Well, that's right. Before we say anything, we should think about how people feel when they are commented on by other people.
Yes, and everyone will be accepted, and also there will be someone who feel hurt for the comment.
From there, what is your advice to change someone who always say bad things and hurts other people's feelings?
My advice, is that everyone just need to be aware of each other.
Good advice, Nada.
Thank you, Lin. Sudah,
Oke,
Ibu.
sudah. Ya. Tadi Ajeng sama Salsa mau maju belum?
Iya, Mem, udah bisa.
Oke, Ajeng dengan
Sebentar.
Salsa, silakan.
Hai Salsa,
Halo Ajeng.
did you buy the Enhypen album yesterday?
Yes, the official Enhypen held a pre-order, so I joined too.
Anyway, where did you join the PO? Yesterday, I saw the only shop, but there's not holding it anymore.
I took it with my friend. He went to South Korea staying away, so I just took it to him. Do you want to see my album?
I won. When are you free?
This week I am free. Wanna come to my home, or we just meet up at other place? But I can on Saturday because I want to hang out with Risha.
How about on Thursday? I want to invite Gary too, and you invite Risha too, Sal.
Okay, I'll tell Risha to come to my home too. How about on Tuesday after English lesson, Jeng?
Okay, Sal. After English lesson, I immediately on the way with Gary.
Sudah? Ajeng dan Salsa. Ya, rata-rata, ya ini sementara saya kasih komen dulu, rata-rata reading Anda lumayan ya, lancar ya. Cuma nanti topiknya aja kita akan kembangkan lagi ya, about health in the community atau social in the community ya, COVID ya, ada prokes ya. Pelan-pelan coba dibuat dalam conversation ya, sehingga nanti yang reading keduanya ini lebih menuju kepada conversation health, or maybe juga blood transfusion ya, silakan ya. Oke. We have another partner, Saputri Sendra dan Imelia Olivia dan Adila Aminatus. Oke, ini mana yang cowoknya nih? Belum ada nih muncul. Cuma Satrio tadi. Yang lainnya, cowok yang lainnya mana Satrio? Si Fauzan nggak ada. Bintang-bintang mana bintang ini? Oke, tunggu ya. Karena angkatan pertama ini akan mendapatkan kesempatan yang lebih baik daripada nanti kalau angkatan keduanya tidak ikut pada hari ini, itu nanti teksnya harus perbanyak loh, teksnya harus dikembangkan. Tidak boleh yang seperti ini, harus lebih dikembangkan untuk yang kedua ini. Ya, untuk yang pasangan 11 sampai 21. Oke. Ya, silakan Syaputri dengan Sandra dulu atau Syaputri Sandra. Halo? Ini sekarang siapa? Ini ada bintang.
Putri and Sandra, Bu.
Bintang Putra. Kapan mau
Iya, Bu.
Udah siap belum?
Bu, saya sih sudah siap, Bu. Cuman teman main saya lagi
Siapa?
di jalan, Bu. Si Rozan, dia masih di jalan katanya.
Oke, kalau
Jadi
gitu
saya nggak
nanti
bisa pakai.
Oke. Di jalan itu maksudnya menuju kemana?
Dia kayaknya mau menuju ke kampus, Bu. Soalnya hari ini kita ada praktek K3 jam 12.
Ya. Kalau misalnya nanti sebelum saya selesai, Bintang dengan Fauzan ya, itu bisa maju.
Iya,
Anda maju ya. Oke. Coba
Oke, siap,
Anda siapkan dulu conversation text-nya ya. Oke. Ya, kita teruskan
Baik,
dulu.
Bu.
Silakan.
Ira, how are you?
Hi Sam, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. By the way, what are your plans for the next year and vacation?
I plan to vacation at my family's house in Bogor. What are your own plans for the end of this year's vacation?
I spent this year's holiday at home by having a small party with my family.
Oh, I see. Seems so happy to be together with family.
Yes, Ra, why don't you just go back to Makassar for a vacation?
Because the year-end holidays are not that long. I prefer to go on vacation to my family house in Bogor, Sam.
Oh, I see.
Yes, Sam. What do you think you will cook with your family at the year-end party?
We're going to roast some chicken, some sausage, and some corn. Don't forget the fireworks for us to play when the end the year and the year end party starts.
Wow, must be really for her fun.
Yes, Ra. By the way, happy holidays and have fun.
Yes, Sandra. You,
Okay.
you to have a good holiday and have fun.
Okay.
Okay, Sam.
Ya, Putri dengan Sandra. Oke, mana Putrinya? Oh ya, sedang sulit ya, kesulitan on cam ya. Oke, tidak apa-apa. Oke, kita punya Emilia dan Olivia. Silakan. Emilia. Putri ada ini? Enggak. Oke. Ya, kita ke email. Silakan email.
Hello, email. What do you collect many stamps?
Hello, Olive. I am collecting the stamps for my collection.
What do you mean?
Udah? Udah selesai, Uli?
Suara Emilia nggak kedengeran di saya.
Oke, yes.
Dari ulang ya, Bu?
Ya, silakan.
Hello, email. Why do you collect many stamps?
Hello, Olive. I am collecting the stamp for my collection.
Really? What do you mean?
Yes, actually, my hobby is collecting stamps
Why do you like collecting stamps?
because I like to see the unique pictures of the stamps. How about you? What is your hobby?
I think I don't have hobby. Should we have a hobby?
Not really, but in our lives, we must have something we like most, which is called hobby.
So, hobby is a pleasure. Then I think I have a hobby now.
Of course. So what is your hobby?
I like to read novel, especially Terelia's work.
That is your hobby, reading novel. Do you have all of the Terelia's collection?
No, I only have a few collection of Terelia's novels. How about your stamps collection?
So far, I have collection stamps for some countries, but I still sort find other stamps.
Do you need much money for your hobby?
Yes, of course, I need much money because I order the stamp, so it costs little bit expensive.
Wow, your hobby is expensive.
Yeah, but I like to do it.
Okay, good luck with your hobby.
Thank you.
Ya,
Sudah, Mem.
Olivia, ya, Olivia nanti dikembangkan ya
Iya.
materinya ya. Uli dengan email ya. Oke. Kamu sudah lancar tapi materinya masih pendek ya. Oke. Untuk the next time everybody have another long health conversation. Oke, thank you. Kita masih punya yang ke-10 itu Adila and Aminatus. Would you like to share the screen please?
Iya Bu, ini mau di-share.
Oke, coba tolong yang lainnya bikin ini berikutnya ya, nomor 11. Kita kelihatannya bisa sampai akhir ya, kelompok terakhir. Ya, Satrio, you have a help Cindy for make it another partner ya, number 11 until finish all of the students ya for the conversation today. Kayaknya cukup ya Cindy ya. Oke.
Iya Ibu.
Ya, oke, kita karena ini pendek-pendek jadi bisa cepat. Ya, yang lainnya kalau hari ini tidak bisa, nanti untuk sesi berikutnya yang tidak melakukan conversation hari ini akan mendapat 2 kali lipat tugas. Ini hati-hati. Kalau misalnya contoh tadi ya Bintang Putra temannya belum datang, ya tolong cari teman yang lainnya. Ya tidak apa-apa. Yang penting bisa connect ya dalam conversation membaca ini. Gitu ya caranya. Jadi hari ini kita akan selesaikan the whole mahasiswa ya should be make it the conversation. Itu ya. Oke. Next for Adila dengan Aminatus.
In a
Are you
bus
ready?
station.
Ya,
Ready.
Aminatus ready. Oke, thank you. Silakan.
Conversation. In a bus station somewhere in South Jakarta. Hai Adila. Hai Adila. Dila, what are you listening now?
I'm listening to K-pop music.
Wow, are you K-popers too?
Of course. Are you also K-popers? Who is your favorite idol?
I'm K-popers too. This day, I really like Taeyong from NCT Group.
Oh, NCT, the junior of EXO, right? I like EXO Group. My favorite member in EXO is Sehun.
Oh, Sehun, I know him. He is the visual face in EXO, right?
Yes, of course. He is visual in EXO. Also, he is the youngest member in EXO. How about Taeyong? I only know a little about him.
For me, Taeyong is the most handsome member in NCT. He is the leader of the group.
Oh, like that. Do you know? Now Sehun act in a Korean drama.
No, I don't know. Wow, he is an actor too. What kind of drama?
It's a romantic comedy drama. The title is Now We Are Breaking Up.
It sounds interesting. While we're waiting for the bus, let's watch it together. Coincidentally, I bring my laptop.
Sudah?
Sudah, Bu.
Oke. Pendek juga ya. Oke deh, nggak apa-apa.
Ini sopan nggak sih dulu? Kenapa?
Bintang sudah partnernya sudah ada Bintang? Belum. Kalau partnernya Bintang belum, Bintang mau
Belum ada. Bu.
conversation. Bintang mau conversation dengan siapa? Atau yang lainnya aja? Yang lainnya siapa? Berikutnya,
Mohon maaf, Bu.
ya.
Katanya si Rozan bilang mungkin jam setengah 10 atau jam 10 pas baru dia bisa. Mungkin udah sampai di kampus katanya. Dia
Oke,
perkirakan
sekarang.
jam
Oke, sekarang Yolan dengan siapa? Yolan?
Dengan Dea, Bu.
Yolan dengan Dea. Bahtiar dengan siapa?
Cahsa, Bu.
Bahtiar dengan Sasa. Oke, sekarang siapa dulu nih? Siapa dulu? Cahsa dengan Bahtiar atau Yolan dengan Dea? Hana Ibadah dengan Teresia. Ya, siapa dulu? Jadi saya punya 4 pasang lagi. Silakan. Anda persiapkan. Yang belum bisa muncul, oke, nanti akan muncul pada jam 11. Oke, silakan.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Yolan. What's your name?
My name is Dea. Where are you from, Yolan?
I'm from Manado. And you?
I'm from Jakarta. Wah, it's very far. When did you come to Jakarta?
Last October, Dea.
Did you come to Jakarta by yourself?
No, I came with my family.
Or is this your first time come to Jakarta?
Yes, it's my first time come to Jakarta.
I'll take you for a walk later. Do you want it?
Where are we gonna go?
To the Ragunan Zoo.
Ragunan Zoo. My friend said the animals in the Ragunan Zoo, Jakarta are skinny.
That's exactly why we go there, Yolan. To feed the animal there, so that they are fed.
You're kidding.
So, do you want to go to Ragunan Zoo?
Yes, I want that.
Okay, then we'll just find a day off to go to Ragunan.
Okay, Dea.
Next, Bahtiar and Chasa, silakan.
Assalamualaikum Bahtiar. I'm Chasa Fadlika from ABK PMI Rek A. Can you introduce yourself?
Ulang, Cok.
There any problem?
Waalaikumsalam, Chasa. Yes, sir. My name Bahtiar Agung Nugroho. I'm from ABK PMI Regular A. How did you know about ABK?
I know ABK from my mother. My mother told me to register at ABK. And you?
I know ABK PMI from my father and coach.
What reason that make you register to ABK PMI?
Because my parents told me to register to ABK PMI. Chasa, do you have any friend escape me?
Sure I have. His name is Raffi and Agung Pamungkas.
Can I play with them?
Of course. Let's find the time.
What about when we go to collect files?
Good idea. I will invite Raffi and Agung too. Bahtiar, I have to go. Nice to be friend with you, Bahtiar. See ya.
Oh, okay, Chasa. Nice to be friend. To see you. Sudah, Bu.
Ya, Bahtiar dengan Chasa serius mau mengikuti sesi ini. Kelihatannya kalian Bahtiar sama Chasa ini tidak serius nih. Baru muncul. Oke, next. Lanjutkan saja. Mana dengan Tresia?
Serius, Bu.
Kalau serius coba ulang lagi. Bahtiar dengan Casa. Apakah karena terputus-putus atau kenapa? Nanti baru Hana.
Siap, Bu.
Bacaannya. Coba lagi.
Assalamualaikum Bahtiar. I'm Casa Fadlika from ABK PMI Rek A. Can you introduce yourself?
Waalaikumsalam Casa. Yes, sir. My name Bahtiar Agung Nugroho. I from ABK PMI Reguler A. How did you know about ABK?
I know ABK from my mother. My mother told me to register at ABK. And you?
I know ABK PMI from my father and cousin.
What the reason that makes you register to ABK PMI?
Because my parents told me to get to register to ABK PMI. Casa, do you have any friend escape me?
Sure, I have. His name is Raffi and Agung Pamungkas.
Can I play with them?
Of course. Let's find the time.
What about when go to college to collect files?
Good idea. I will invite Raffi and Agung too.
Bahtiar sudah selesai? Bahtiar dengan Casa sudah selesai? Oke. Bahtiar dengan Casa sudah selesai. Kita lanjut kepada pasangan berikutnya, Hana. Sudah selesai?
Bu.
Setelah Bahtiar sama Casa, itu
Siapa?
Rizky sama Dava dulu, Ibu.
Oke, Rizky dengan Dava. Ya, silakan Rizky.
How are you?
Hi Dava. I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank. I fine too. By the way, did you hear the news yesterday about the ban on going back to your hometown?
Yes, I saw the news.
Why is the government forbidding its residents not to go hometown?
What I noticed from yesterday news is that we don't spread the coronavirus to our relatives at home.
Oh, I see.
Yes, especially in my hometown, there are people who are vulnerable to infection such as the elderly and children.
Yes, that's right. Then are you going back to your hometown later?
I think we as a family will cancel going home this year until the situation and government regulations allow.
That's a good decision, especially now that the internet is right. We can communicate face to face via video call by family in the village, right?
That's right.
By the way, I'm going first. I want to continue my college assessment.
Okay, see you.
See you. Sudah, Bu.
Oke. Selanjutnya siapa? Hana.
Hana sama Tere.
Teresia, Bu.
Oke, Hana Trisha, silakan.
Ibu, atas nama Hana Ibadah izin off cam, Bu, soalnya lagi nggak enak badan.
Oke, ya. Silakan. Pokoknya kalau memang conversation aja.
Dava, stop share dulu dong, Dav.
Di stop dulu. Stop share. Dava. Halo. Dava ngerti nggak?
Sebentar, Bu.
Ya. Stop aja di bawah itu kan ada. Klik aja stopnya.
Bentar, Bu, jaringannya, Bu. Sudah, Bu.
Oke. Ya, silakan, Hana.
Sexual harassment according in Semarang. Ray, have you read an article related to sexual abuse that occurred in Semarang by a lecturer who abused the hair student?
No, can you tell me about it?
Of course, this can happen with a victim detected or chatted by a predator with the urge to watch and buy luxuries. In theory, the victim resists, but the predator turns to demand. The victim fellow and inevitably have to comply with the wishes.
Oh Lord, such abominable deeds of the lecturer. Then what happened next?
Then after officially dating the victim, was forced to have sexual intercourse of a year. If a victim failed to act on the predator, he threatened to redance on and distributed the video while they were performing.
How the best are the perpetrator's action and what punishment does the perpetrators face?
Victim report the abuser and collect lecture. Then the perpetrator has then to 15 years in prison and expelled from the college where he take.
It was a lightweight punishment compared to the victim's shattered mental state. The victim must have been in severe shock and will experience lifelong trauma.
His bitter experience will always be remembered by the victim.
May we always avoid the evil of these elements.
Amen. May we always be able to guard against so on outcome.
Sudah, Bu.
Oke, ya. Itu urusan si ganda. Di MNC-nya. Bukan decoder. Ya. Oke, ada pasangan lainnya berikut setelah Hana.
Berikut Herda sama Muhammad Raihan, Ibu.
Oke, sebentar saya catat dulu. Herda dengan Raihan.
Iya.
Karena saya cari di ini belum muncul di WA group. Herda atau Firda?
Herda Novel.
Herda. Oke, udah siap Herda dengan Raihan?
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah, Bu.
Ya, silakan. Herdanya mana?
Saya, Bu.
Oke, Herda Naufal, silakan.
Hi, Noval. How are you today?
I am fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. What are you doing?
I am counting my stamp collection. Collecting stamps is my hobby. What is your hobby?
My hobby is camping.
Sounds good. Where is your favorite location to camp?
My favorite location is in the mountain. The air is very fresh.
When will you camp again?
Maybe next holiday.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have to go. See you.
See you too.
Sudah?
Sudah, Bu.
Oke. Berikutnya siapa?
Berikutnya Bintang Fauzan sama
Bintang Fauzan dengan
Eka Yuda.
Eka. Oke. Silakan. Mana Eka-nya?
Saya, Bu.
Eka Setia. Oke, silakan.
Baik, Bu. Hi, my friend. Are you doing your assignment?
Yes, this is so boring. I want to go to school again.
Let's pray that this pandemic will end soon.
Is the virus really dangerous?
Yes, Fauzan. WHO even declares COVID-19 a pandemic.
Really? That's why we have to stay at home.
Yes, because we can easily get infected if we make contact with other people outside. Who knows that someone get infected? That's why we must stay at home and avoid direct contact with people except our family at home.
It's so sad. I miss my friend.
Yes, I miss my friends too, but we must obey the rules and keep ourselves safe.
Okay, my brother said we also have to exercise and eat healthy foods, right?
Absolutely, you're smart, Fauzan. Sudah, Bu.
Oke. Nanti lain kali dibuat yang panjang ya. Pendek banget. Ya, Fauzan dengan Eka, ya. Karena ini hanya seperti seperti conversation ini aja. Ya. Coba nanti bikin yang lebih itu ya. Fauzan dengan Eka. Oke. Next siapa lagi? Tinggal 4 kelompok lagi. 4 pasangan lagi. Cindy kelihatannya. Kita bisa selesaikan ini jam 10.
Habis ini ada Lola sama Nazwa, Ibu.
Laura. Mana?
Lola sama Nazwa.
Lola. Oke, Lola dengan Nazwa. Ada Lolanya?
Lola hadir, Ma'am.
Lola Priscilia, oke. Dan
Nazwa.
Nazwa. Oke, Nazwa. Ya. Silakan. Pelan-pelan. Tapi kalau bisa panjang ya. Conversation-nya. Oke, silakan.
Lola, look, it's really bad news. What are you watching? It's about COVID-19. You know, the situation is getting worse. The government gives the people an instruction to stay at home. What do you think about it? In my opinion, it has good and bad effect.
What do you think like that?
I think the government has a good plan with this instruction in order to protect the people to not get sick or choked by COVID-19.
Oh, I see. And what is the bad one?
It will bring up a new problem, especially in economy.
Yes, you are right. Automatically, we can get income if we just stay at home.
Yes, it's true. Can you imagine of someone who doesn't work in company or government?
Yes, super they are. They can work. It means that they can get income, but I heard that government has give some help in finance.
Yes, you are right. But it fetch not all people got to help.
Yes, it's true. We must be grateful because we still get paid, even though sometimes we work from home. Hopefully, this pandemic will get over soon.
I hope so, Najwa.
Habis, selesai? Oke. Next, siapa lagi? Kita punya 3 pasang lagi.
Auri
Siapa
sama
lagi?
Sigi, Bu.
Oke. Ada Laurinya? Halo, siapa? Auri? Ya, Auri dengan?
Hadir, Bu.
Ya, oke. Silakan, Auri.
Hello, Auri. Hello, Sigi. Can I ask? Of course, yes. What you want ask to me? I don't get it. Why is COVID-19? What with the 19? The virus that we are fighting with at this moment is specifically for humans, and the name COVID-19 is actually derived from coronavirus disease to 2019 because it has first appeared at the end of 2019. Oh, I see. My friend is affected by the virus because his mom gets it from her friends. I think he is okay despite he is being positive for virus corona. This virus affects differently towards different people. Some might not show any symptoms which make it harder to detect, but some other might be so severe that it leads to death. I see. So this is just how dangerous it is and how important it is for us to protect ourselves from it. Well, it's quite simple actually, because our government and all government in the world has issued procedure to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. So we all need to stay at home for as long as we can in order to avoid contact with strangers who might have this virus. And also put on a mask every time we want to leave our house and wash our hands as often as possible. Yes, I agree with you. Also, we have to always maintain our health by taking vitamins, exercise, and sunbathing in the morning. Sudah, Bu.
Oke. Next. Siapa lagi sekarang?
Sekarang Bintang Putra sama Rozan Fikri, Bu.
Oke, coba Bintang. Bintang Putra dengan siapa?
Dengan Rozan, Bu.
Mana Bintang? Silakan.
Baik, Ibu. Hey Rozan, how are you?
Well, I'm good. How about you?
Saya belum lihat,
I'm
saya
good.
lihat Rozan Fikri mana? Tidak on cam. Rozan, tadi pesan Ibu sudah diganti. Hah? Kamu jangan bikin picture yang macam-macam ya. Coba picture-nya yang sopan.
Baik,
Rozan?
Bu. Iya, Bu.
Ya, silakan lanjut Bintang dengan Rozan.
Hey Rozan, how are you?
Well, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too, thank you. What are you doing with this weekend?
This weekend, I went to fishing near my house. How about you?
I myself always play basketball and volleyball with my friends this weekend. It's all past 4. I have to go to basketball court immediately. Do you want to come with me to the field?
No. Thank you. Just go. I have to prepare some fishing equipment.
Okay, fine. See you later. Nice to meet you.
Okay, see you later. Nice to meet you, Bintang.
Rozan sama Bintang, coba dengar pesan Ibu ya.
Iya, Bu.
Paper reading text ini terlalu pendek. Ya. Reading text Anda terlalu pendek. Anda harus bikin ulang reading text yang menyentuh kesehatan.
Baik, Bu.
Ya, Rozan, dan tidak pendek seperti ini. Ini
Siap,
seperti conversation cowboy aja ini. Halo, yes, how are you? Fine. Cuma begitu aja. Oke? Ingat
Oke,
ya.
Bu. Iya, Bu.
Nanti untuk minggu depan harus sudah yang tadi juga ada beberapa pasangan juga yang masih belum bagus ya. Jadi harus dibuat ulang. Oke. Next masih ada lagi? Kayaknya masih satu lagi, Pak Cindy.
Irfan Muhajirin harusnya sama Raul, Ibu, karena Raul hari ini nggak bisa, lagi dalam perjalanan. Jadi Irfan sama Dava. Dava baca lagi.
Oke, Irfan. Mana Irfan? Irfan. Oke. Lawannya nanti. Silakan Irfan sama Dava.
Hai Dava.
Mana Irfan? Saya belum melihat. Belum muncul.
Ya, Bu.
Ada kendala sinyal? Irfan?
Tidak, Bu.
Oke. Anda tinggal share screen aja. Okay, what happened? Anda raise hand ada apa? Anda raise hand?
Tadi dipanggil, Bu. Ibu. Katanya.
Oke. Ya, sekarang coba raise hand. Ya, oke. Sekarang tolong share screen. Ya, share screen.
Sudah, Bu.
Oke, coba dibaca. Kelihatannya kurang terang ya. Kurang jelas ya kelihatannya ya. Saya nggak bisa ngelihat jelas. Atau mungkin ininya. Ini ya. Kayaknya bukan itu deh. Teksnya ya yang kurang bagus. Teksnya kurang bagus. Cindy punya teksnya di Google.
Iya, Bu.
Oke, karena ini terlihatnya di layar tidak bagus. Kalau Cindy punya, boleh diulang.
Cindy
Atau
coba
kalau
lagi.
Oke.
Udah, Ibu.
Ya, lumayan. Oke, silakan.
Udah.
Ya, silakan. Udah kelihatan, udah.
Hai Dava.
Hey Irfan,
What do you like?
I like reading.
Do you like reading?
I do. Do you?
I do. How often do you read?
I read a book almost every day before I sleep.
That's impressive. I barely read after the exam last week. My head still hurts. That's your favorite type of book?
Ashley read a funny novel and some comic after exam. But my favorite books are Ashley about traveling. Some of them are not fiction.
Why? Is it because you like traveling?
I think so, but I think it's also because I could learn many different control the stories. Learning become more fun the way.
I see. Where do you usually read books?
Mostly at home, asking a book during the pandemic, but I actually like to buy a physical book at the bookstore nearby. It's more comfort to see.
How long does it take to finish a book? Is it difference between a book and physical book?
Well, it depends on the length of the book, but it actually lets me to need to finish a 3,000 page book.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, fine. See you later. Nice to meet you.
Okay, see you later. Nice to meet you too.
Ya, oke.
Ibu.
Ya.
Harusnya ada Raffi sama Agung, tapi Agungnya lagi izin, Bu, hari ini.
Raffinya ada?
Raffinya ada.
Ada, Bu.
Mana Raffi?
Iya, Bu.
Silakan. Kalau Raffi mau membacakan, silakan. Masih ada. Mana Raffi?
Iya, Bu. Sebentar, Bu. Saya dengan partner lain atau gimana ya, Bu?
Siapa saja, silakan. Sama Cindy pun boleh.
Baik, Bu.
Boleh siapa aja.
Mohon izin, Bu. Kalau misalkan saya pakai teksnya Cindy, boleh nggak, Bu ya? Soalnya
Saya
teks saya...
mau mendengarkan Anda, yes. Ya, silakan. Kalau Anda bisa dengan teksnya Cindy, berarti Anda dengan Cindy. Ya, karena yang punya adalah Cindy. Silakan.
Baik, Bu. Mohon izin, Bu.
Ya.
Hi, Cindy.
Oh, hi Raffi. Wait, you are still alone?
Yes, I'm alone.
How about others?
They still haven't come yet.
Ah, I see. Have you been waiting long?
No, I just arrived too.
Okay. What time we do a group work?
Well, it should be 2 p.m.
Wait, so it's mean they should have come now, right?
Yes, they should. By the way, Sin, do you know the hot news about sexual harassment recently?
Ah, yes, I do. I've heard so many news about it. But the new one is Brawijaya University student sexual harassment case, which caused the student to commit suicide. Is it true?
Yeah, that's true. What do you think about it?
As a woman, I really regret why sexual harassment happened again. According to the news, this victim refused the invitation from the perpetrator, but the perpetrator gave her sleeping pills until she was unconscious and do the sexual harassment. That's really bad. Even I can't imagine it.
So do I. I really sad when heard that. But not only that, the victim also became pregnant because the police is thought be responsible, but instead ordered the victim to have an abortion. The victim environment, even her family, not supportive, instead blaming the victim.
I don't know why he can do that. He lost his conscience. I can't imagine how this break the victim. And finally, she killed herself by drinking the cyanide next to his dad's grave. I hope the perpetrator was given a punishment commensurate with what he had done.
That's right. I hope sexual harassment does happen again in the future.
And actually, sexual harassment won't happen if the government is serious and firm in handling sexual harassment cases, not cornering the victim of sexual harassment so that they dare to speak.
Yes, I'm agree with you, Sin. Look, finally they come.
Wow, do you really need so many times to arrive? Let's greet them.
Okay, come on. Then let's start do the group work. It's too late.
Che, San, Re, and Ra. Why you guys taking so long?
Sudah, Mom. Thank you.
Okay. Everybody, katanya udah selesai ya, Raffi? Cindy?
Iya, Bu, udah.
Mom.
Zoom juga sebentar. Anda bisa memperbaiki hari ini? Teksnya gimana?
Memperbaiki teks tadi ya, Bu.
Mengembangkan, buat baru, atau silakan mau apa sebaiknya?
Itu semuanya ya, Bu.
Boleh?
Yang bikin baru atau mengembangkan kembali itu setiap mahasiswa.
Iya, setiap itu kelompok ya. Kelompoknya bisa diinikan ulang, perbaiki ulang, atau Anda inikan apa? Kita sampai jam berapa? 10.
11.40
sampai jam 11.
Ibu.
Sampai jam 11. Oke.
11.40.
11.40. Panjang
Iya.
juga ya. Oke, kita punya waktu cukup banyak ya. Oke, jadi kita punya waktu 1 jam lagi, 1 jam 40 menit lagi. Silakan semua mahasiswa atau memperbaiki. Bisa ya? Oke. Jadi
Bisa.
tolong yang praktek atau bebas? Yang
Maaf
praktek
Ibu,
itu jam berapa?
suaranya putus-putus.
Oke. Sudah kedengeran belum? Sudah
Udah, Ibu.
kedengeran? Udah. Yang praktek nanti jam berapa?
Untuk praktek itu sore Ibu. Tapi
Sore.
abis ini nanti mulai jam 12.15 ada lanjut langsung matkul kepalang merahan.
Oke, kalau gitu sebelum jadi jam saya kan jam 11.40 ya.
Iya Ibu.
Jam saya kan 11.40. Silakan saya berikan waktu Anda sampai dengan jam 11.
Mohon maaf Ibu, suaranya terputus Ibu.
WA grup disampaikan yang bikin baru adalah pasangan ini. Ya, dicatat ya, Sin. Ya, yang bikin baru atau yang memperbaiki.
Iya Ibu.
Baru. Itu ya, Sin. Oke. Ya, silakan.
Ibu, mohon maaf suaranya
Ya,
putus-putus.
sampai jam 11:30 ya, jam 11 ya, 11.30. Oke, ya silakan.
Untuk nama-namanya tadi Ibu.
Oke, silakan ya semua mahasiswa dan tolong karena saya tetap memonitor di gambar ini, memonitor di layar,
Mohon maaf Ibu.
berada di screen. Oke, silakan. Kita
Mohon
tetap
maaf Ibu.
Ya.
Suaranya terputus-putus Ibu, jadi tidak jelas.
Sekarang masih terputus. Masih terputus.
Sekarang tidak Ibu.
Udah, oke. Jadi tolong sampai dengan setengah 12 yang ada perbaikan tolong di WA grup ya. Pasangan yang memperbaiki atau mengembangkan baru tolong di WA grup supaya nanti saya bisa nambahkan nilai. Ya, makasih ya. Oke. Ya, silakan bekerja.
Baik Ibu.